Bună seara România, bună seara București, sunt Andreea Esca.
Ia uite, bună seara, bine v-am găsit, o conduc pe doamna
Petre, de unde ești, rog?
Moș Crăciun și prietenii săi. Într-o zonă muntoasă, împodobită cu păduri de brazi,
realizând că produsele ei nu au nicio șansă în fața brânzeturilor de el, a hotărât să le elimine fizic de pe piață.
I remember a few years back, there was this TV show called Curate Murder, Dirty Clean. It amazed me how some folks live in absolute dirty and unhygienic household. Mayhaps, growing up watching that show awakened something within me, something that I wasn't aware, an unconscious force that would never allow me to comfortably live in surrounded by grim, soot and poo. Years later here I am today reviewing a tool, a powerful tool that keeps me and my floor happy. I am talking about my overkill Hoover. Don't you just hate cleaning a floor the manual way? Before I present you the actual vacuum, I want to talk a bit about the user manual. Take a gander at the most beautifully unique piece of user manual I've ever seen. The design of the cover is like a propaganda poster.
I want to use this product. I love this product. Little Red Book of Vacuum Cleaning.
The vacuum is very handy when you are a lonely man.
To